Where is apple? Good. Adarsh, where is apple? And banana? Good. Where is banana? You tell me where is banana. Good. Dipali, you tell me where is orange. Azu, you tell me where is grapes and orange. Good. You tell me where is banana. Good. Tanshu, tell me where is orange. Yes, good. An apple. Good. Raj, you tell me where is grapes and apple. Very good. Diti, you tell me where is orange and where one more orange is there ना. एक और orange है कहाँ है? Good. Ankush, you tell me where is grapes. Yes. Adarsh, you tell me where is banana. Good. Pramod, you tell me where is orange. Good. Mahi, you tell me where is banana. Good. Aryan, you tell me where is grapes. T, you tell me where is orange. Okay, very good. You tell me where is apple. Good. You tell me where is banana. Good. Yash, you tell me where is orange. Good. Veer, where is grapes? Abdul, you tell me where is grapes. Very good. You tell me where is orange. Morkal, you tell me where is apple. Good. Abhav, you tell me where is banana. Good. Samaira, you tell me where is grapes. Very good. Satyam, you tell me where is banana. Good. Okay, Daniel, you tell me where is orange. Orange. Where is orange? Hold it. Oh, very good. Okay. Ankit, you tell me where is banana. Very good. You tell me Mohi where is orange. Very good. Ansh, you tell me where is apple. Very good. Adarsh, you tell me where is banana. Very good. Ayush, you tell me where is grapes. Yes, very good.